So, for those watching for the first time, I'm just working on renovating this old Victorian outhouse. Gonna try and turn it into a chicken coop, and then reuse all this space so they can have full run around. Previously, I've raked out all the joints, as you can see on these ones here, brushed it all down, got rid of all the dust, and then I started on the actual repointing. So just a really rough repoint. It doesn't have to be perfect. It is a toilet in the end, or used to be 150 years ago. So today I'm just gonna crack on. I'm gonna try and get the rest of these walls repointed, hopefully. So let's crack on with that. Alright, last time I'm using the same mix as I did last time on mortar. So I'm using a 2.5:1 ratio. So I'm going to use 2.5 parts sand, sharp sand to 1 pint hydrated lime. Twig I got in there. Right, a little bit wetter than I did last time, but it's quite warm, so it's not too bad. It'll dry out anyway. None out there. Anyone's got any suggestions to make it a bit oranger, to get maybe a better contrast in brickwork for future? It's kind of a sandy colour at the moment. Yeah, anyone with experience doing this, yeah, give us a shout and let us know what you recommend. Ratios as well, and whether or not I've seen things about adding just normal regular sand as well into the sharp sand mix. Yeah, thoughts on that? Right, that's alright, does that? Wetting the walls beforehand, just to stop the lime mortar. It's drying out too quick. It's all sandstone, it's quite porous. It sucks the moisture right out of it. Hopefully try and stop it from cracking. Looks like it's done alright on that, even if it's been quite dry. Literally just penciling brush, give it a good soak. Right, I'll do for now. Start mortaring next, pointing it up. I'm going to start pointing it probably from halfway up, try and get all the way along, and then I can do all bottom one go. Put carpet down because it hurt my knees last time. There's twigs and all sorts of stones under here, so they're a bit more forgiving on knees. Got knee pads on this time. Safety and all that. Right, I'm going to use a little pointing trowel thing, and then use that to scoop mortar onto. And it's just a case of all the way along until I run out of mortar. It won't last long. Right, start here. Doesn't matter if it's spilling out a bit, I'm going to whack it in later on. try and keep it as clean as I can. I'm no professional. And it is a toilet in end, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Like so. After a disaster of a time lapse, back on POV, just give you a quick rundown at last bits to do. Run out of mortar now, all empty. Walls looking okay. Still got this to do over here on the right and on the bottom, so that's still probably another day's work. Sun's starting to come down a bit now, so I'm going to pack it in. I just need to quickly tamp the rest of this mortar down, give it a quick soak, and then that's it. Well, looks okay. Don't know where to get some brick acid on it or something later. Try and get rid of something loose, tidy it up a bit. suck. Alright, it'll do. Work on rest another day. I'll wrap that up now. Clear away all this crap.